Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on US Highway 72, beginning as we leave the community of Haletown, Tennessee. We're at mile marker 15 and counting down. We cross the Tennessee River here just upriver from the Nickajack Lake, which functions as a reservoir for the nearby hydroelectric Nickajack Dam. As we continue past the river crossing, we'll be driving alongside the northern shore of the lake. Marion County Park is situated on the left side of the road, stretching out into the reservoir. This park provides various camping options for both tents and RVs, along with amenities like a boat ramp and opportunities for recreational activities such as swimming, boating, and fishing. Additionally, the park features pavilions and a stage that can be booked or rented for events or gatherings. Note the name Lee Highway here, which refers to the pre-US Highway System auto trail that followed most of the course of US 72. We enter the town of Jasper, the county seat of Marion County. Jasper had a population of 3,612 as of the 2020 census. In 1820, the town of Jasper was established on land leased for a mere $1 from Elizabeth Betsy Pack. She was the daughter of Cherokee Chief John Lowry and the esteemed Cherokee woman Nanny Watts. Today, her descendants and family friends gather twice a year to pay their respects by laying flowers at the courthouse marker. To honor her memory, the main north-south street of the town following a section of Tennessee State Route 150 has been named after Pack. Here we lose the US 41 concurrency to Controlled Access Highway that also carries State Route 28. Formerly, US 41 continued into Jasper and headed north at State Route 150. We stopped here at this CV's pharmacy so I could pick up some sinus medicine. It seems that I'm allergic to something in Tennessee, some native plant or something in the air. Every time I've ever slept in Tennessee, I wake up with a sore throat and cough. We conclude today's video as we leave the town of Jasper and enter the town of Kimball. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.